first music that I remember growing up was actually not the King Sisters music, but it was the music that I learned from my cousins. And I remember being in the train station in Union Station and then being in the train station in Salt Lake City, and I remember your guitars. And I remember being on the train going to Salt Lake for our first show. And this is the music that I remember first, so if I could get, I can't see my paper. If I could get Megan and Jeff up here. Were you big stool or little stool? Were we too big?
Oh, I was tall.
All right. And let's come back a little bit. Yeah. Some of you have said, I wish we knew everybody that was here that we don't know. Megan is a friend of mine that I saw in a wonderful production of You're in Town, if any of you happened to catch that. And fell in love with her, and then I met her in the land of cartoons, and now we do a show together, so we get to see each other every week. And Jeff is a buddy of mine that we've known each other for 15, 20 years over at Sutton Barth and Venari in the lobby there.
And we just stay in the lobby together, that's all we do.
So this first song, and one thing I want to say about some of this music, it is this music that reminds me of campfires. It is this music that reminds me of bonfires at the beach and singing impromptu. And we don't use this music anymore. And I don't even know if some of you young kids might know some of this stuff. But when we get to the chorus on this, and only on the chorus, I want you to sing along, okay?
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some
oxen free.